Namaste friends, welcome to JavaScript coding interview question. Today we will discuss about what is reduce function and write code for reduce function. Let's begin. This is one of the most important question for interview. We can answer this question like this. The reduce is a free-defined method used for reduce an array to single value by passing a callback function on each element of the array. The reduce method accepts two arguments. Therefore, the first argument is callback function and second argument is optional initial value. The callback function having four arguments. Those are accumulator, current value, index and array. Accumulator is a required parameter that holds the initial value in beginning and then last return value of the function. Current value is a required argument that holds the value of the current element being executed. Index is an optional parameter holding the index of the current value. Array is also optional parameter that holds the complete array of object and each the operation is performed. Initial value is an optional parameter and holds the initial value passed to the function. Syntax is target array, reduce method. In that we are having callback function and initial value. In that callback function we are having four arguments: accumulator, current value, index and array. You can answer this question like this. Let's see one of the example for this. Creating one reduce file, reduce.js. After that I am creating one array. This array values are 2 6 8 4. I am taking 4 values. After that this target array I am giving to the reduce method. In this reduce method I am taking the one callback function, that is a callback function. In that callback function I am giving to the four arguments, thus are accumulator and current value, and I am taking index. After that I am taking array. These are the four arguments of the callback function. After that I am going to return each and every argument. What will be the output will become. I am assigning first accumulator, and next this code I am going to storing in one of the variable, that is output. Okay, like this I am assigning. After assigning this I am going to calling this. I am writing the code console. In that I am taking the output as a that variable I am calling. After that I am going to the terminal. I am writing the node and reduce.js. Just I am calling this. We will see this accumulator is the initial value it is taking from the array. It is giving output as a 2. If here I am giving second argument as an initial value, that is 3, that output will be show 3. Why? Because accumulator taking as the initial value. When you are giving initial value here, that will be become the initial value for the accumulator. Those value only it will be show. If you are giving this initial value 3, after that this second will be going to become as a current value. Yeah, it will become as a current value. Next I wanna going to calling this current value. If I going to call this current value, it will be show as a output as a 4. Why? Because this reduce method is going to iterating each and every element. What is the final value is of the array, those value it will be going to print. Why it is happening like this? We will open to in debugger. We will observe why it is taking as a last value as a current value. Let's I am opening console in browser. I am pasting this code here and going to the debugger. Let's see. When index is 0, this index value is 2. When index is 1, that value is a 6 in current value. And next see here I am forwarding this one. When index value is 2, value is 8, and next index value is 3, those value will be 4. This is the last index value 3, the current value is 4. That's why this current value is showing as a 4 here. Output also, what is the current value we are having, those value only it will be shown. Yeah, but this is the reason the current value is going to show as a 4. Next, see here, when I am taking to the index, this index also it is showing as a last index of the value only it is showing, that is 3. This is a, we are having 4 values, but index is a 3, it will be start from 0, that's why it is index is showing as a 3. Next we call the array, it will show as a total array, what is we are having, those array it will be going to show. Here I wanna take some example including to this all arguments. One of the example I'm taking here. Next, let's begin with small one. I'm taking accumulator equal to accumulator plus current value. I'm adding these values into some I'm taking here. Let's see. I wanna writing first. This is, we can write return for this, return as a accumulator. Let's see what will be the output will become. See, 20 is the output. If you're going to add each and every value of the array, it will be showing as a 20. Next, I wanna going to show as a this index and array also. For this, I am taking one if condition. Here I am taking index equivalent equals to array dot length. What? Why I am taking this length? Minus 1. Present index value is a 3 here when you are entering to this reduce method. And array length, what is array length? 4. If I go into minus 1, it is equal to the this index value. When it is equal to the index value, then it wanna going to perform as a average. I'm writing that code for that, accumulator divided by array dot length. Array dot length I'm taking here. Let's see what will be the output. I'm writing this code as a average here. If I going to call this one, what will be show as output is a 5. 20 divided by 4, it will be showing as a 5. So this is a small example when you are going to performing the all arguments in reduce method. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.